In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Wix website responsive for all screens. Ensuring your website looks good and functions well across all devices is key to reaching a broader audience and providing a great user experience. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this. First, let's begin by logging into your Wix account. Head to wix.com and simply click on Log In. Once inside, open up the website you wish to make responsive. Next, from your dashboard, you'll need to click on Edit Site. This step is crucial as it leads you to the Wix editor, a space where you can make both desktop and mobile edits to enhance the adaptability of your site. Now that you're in the Wix editor, it's time to switch to mobile view. To do this, look at the top of the editor and click on the phone symbol, the mobile icon. This action will give you a clear preview of how your site appears on mobile devices, which is critical for making informed adjustments. With the mobile view activated, let's adjust the mobile layout. Begin by resizing and repositioning various elements to fit smaller screens better. Utilizing features like strips, columns, and containers can help keep your content neatly aligned. It's important to avoid any elements being too close together or overlapping, as this can interfere with usability. Additionally, if some elements are unnecessary for mobile users, you can simplify the design by using the Hide on Mobile function. Transitioning back to desktop view, we can enhance responsiveness by enabling stretching and anchoring. Select an element and click on Stretch to have it span the full width of the screen, ensuring no empty spaces. Anchoring elements helps keep them fixed relative to sections, even as the user scrolls through the page. Now let's tap into Wix's built-in responsive tools. Turn on Collapse Margins for strips and columns to ensure a clean, modern look at all times. Implement the stacking order feature to automatically rearrange your elements for optimal display on smaller screens. Don't forget to preview your site in both tablet and mobile views to truly understand the user perspective. It's time to preview and test. Click Preview in both desktop and mobile views. It's advisable to test on multiple screen sizes, including desktop monitors, tablets, and smartphones, to identify any inconsistencies. Remember to adjust text sizes, images, and buttons as needed to ensure everything is accessible and looks pristine. Once fully satisfied with your website's appearance and functionality across all devices, it's publishing time. Click Publish, and just like that, your Wix website is optimized for viewers on any screen. Congratulations, you've now made your website responsive, offering an improved experience to all its visitors.